2026 में जापान ट्रैवल में सिंगल वीजा की तरफ मैसिव चेंजेस होने वाले हैं एंड इफ यू आर प्लानिंग अ जापान ट्रिप सून देन स्टॉप एंड वॉच दिस सुपर क्रिस्प वीडियो दैट विल मेक योर लाइफ सुपर सिंपल and save you some hassle and money as well. So let's get started. Hi guys, we are GK and KB from Rolling Fit Tales with a mission to make your travel easy and stress-free. The first massive change which is going to happen from 1st of April is the Japan visa का fee hike. आपने हमारी जापान की ये ₹500 वीजा एंड इट्स पावर वाली शॉर्ट्स तो देखी होगी. Well, that is going to change now. अब ये ₹500 से जो वीजा फी था that is going to increase to 8,000 rupees, similar to Schengen visa fee. This fee hike is a part of plan to fund the system called JESTA, which is Japan Electronic System for Travel Authorization, and also to cover the administrative cost because of over tourism in recent years. And इसका cost कौन bear करेगा? Yes, you have guessed it right, us travelers. एक mind blowing fact बताऊं, जापान की ₹500 visa cost has remained the same for the last 50 years. It is called frozen fee. So nearly after 50 years, Japan is finally increasing its visa fee from ₹500 to ₹8,000, which is a bad news for us travelers. But there is still time for you to get your Japan visa at ₹500 before the fee increases. And if you watch our Japan visa guide video, you will get to know how to apply for Japan visa, जिसके through हमें भी 5 years multiple entry Japan visa मिला है. This is the biggest travel hack right now. With Japan visa, you also get to visit a lot of countries visa free and save almost more than 40,000 rupees in visa fee only. Now, the second biggest change with respect to Japan visa application process only is that earlier you could go to a VFS center at any point of time with your application and you need not take any appointment. That ends now because now you have to take appointment before going to VFS center, just like your Schengen visa application process. Third change, which is going to increase a bit of your travel cost, is something called sayonara tax. Sayonara in Japanese means bye-bye. So this bye-bye tax is going to be increased from 1,000 yen, which is 600 rupees, to 3,000 yen, which is roughly around 2,000 rupees. This cost is already baked into your flight ticket, so you would see that कि आपका flight का price थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है compared to earlier days. फोर्थ मेजर चेंज शॉपिंग करने वालों के लिए. पहले जब हम जापान में शॉपिंग करते थे तो हमें बस पासपोर्ट दिखाना होता था टू गेट द टैक्स फ्री सेविंग ऑन आवर शॉपिंग. दैट ऑल्सो एंड्स नाउ बिकॉज अब आपको शॉप पे टैक्स फ्री नहीं मिलेगा. अब आपने जब एयरपोर्ट पे आते हो वहां पे आपको अपना टैक्स सेविंग क्लेम करना होता है बाय शोइंग योर रिसिप्ट्स. सो अपने शॉपिंग बिल्स संभाल के रखना बिकॉज एट द एयरपोर्ट यू विल हैव टू शो दैट टू गेट योर टैक्स रिफंड. Which also means that अब आपको एयरपोर्ट पे ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा because depending on the queue etc. you might end up spending like half an hour or 1 hour extra at airport to just claim your tax refund. By the way, जापान में electronics and skincare बहुत सस्ते मिलते हैं. I was about to buy my laptop from Japan. ओनली चैलेंज था कि जो कीबोर्ड है वो जापानीज में था rather than इंग्लिश. अगर आपको हमारा 38 पेज का जापान गाइड चाहिए दैट इंक्लूड्स 10 और 15 days itinerary along with some travel hacks that will save you some money and hassle in Japan, then check out the link in description box or scan this QR code as well. Now the fifth update is about dual pricing. What is the dual pricing? So, जैसे हमारे इंडिया में फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब आप ताजमहल घूमने जाते हो तो इंडियंस के लिए वो टिकट 50 रुपीज़ की होती है बट फॉरनर्स के लिए दे पे 1100 रुपीज़. तो सेम चीज़ हमारे साथ अब जापान में होने वाली है जहां जापान इंटरनेशनल टूरिस्ट के लिए हायर फी रखेगा कंपेयर टू द लोकल टूरिस्ट. ये स्ट्रैटेजी जापान में ओवर टूरिज्म को कंट्रोल करने के लिए की गई है बट इट इज अ बैड न्यूज फॉर अस बिकॉज फॉर द सेम थिंग नाउ वी विल हैव टू पे एक्स्ट्रा. For example, Himji Castle is now going to cost you 2.5x of the current ticket price. Similarly, major cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, यहाँ पे अगर आप stay करते हो तो आपको होटल टैक्स भी देना पड़ेगा apart from the hotel cost that is usually charged. So don't be surprised when you go and check into the hotel operator asks you for extra amount because that is a tax that government is trying to apply on these hotels. So these were the major changes and do keep this in mind when you are planning your Japan travel. And if you have any query, any question, put it into the comment box. We definitely answer each and every comment of yours to make your life easy. Hope you like this video, and अगर अच्छा लगा तो do subscribe and like, because it encourages us to create many more such videos for you.